Is this recipe better than a warm hug?
No. Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a thing I saw on the internet. It's a cilantro soup thing. It looked good. I wanted to try it. So we're trying it. Because sometimes you got to try things. It's super quick and easy. Not everything needs to be long and hard. Let's get to it. First up, we're going to need to make a paste. Mortar and pestle. What kind of music do chefs listen to? Motorhead. Get yourself some garlic.
You're so bulbous.
Get yourself some garlic. We're making soup today, even though I'm not a soup guy. We're making soup today. I'm gonna use 3 cloves of garlic here, even though someone tried to convince me not to use any. I've come to suck your blood. It's a Christopher Walken vampire. Garlic goes in. The power of herbs compels you. About this much cilantro. That's how much cilantro we're gonna use. Cilantro me a frickin' bone here.
Wow, you're old.
We're also gonna do a healthy glug of olive oil. Get yourself a bucket of salt. You're gonna do a pinch of salt in here. It's gonna help crush up the flavors.
Flavor yourself up.
Iced tea break. Back at it. That'll make your arms sore. Good thing I have these ginormous pythons. Reserve this for later. Now let's poach some eggs. Sean Connery. I'm gonna use about 3 cups of chicken stock here. And if you're having trouble finding chicken stock, just check out your local stock market. He's making all the right investments. Chicken stock goes in. Bring it to a boil. Gonna poach some eggs, we're gonna poach some eggs. Poaching eggs is lots of fun. Once we've reached a boil, just turn the heat off. Heat off. So now we're gonna create a little vortex, drop the egg right in the middle. And that should turn into a pretty little egg. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Technically, if you're poaching eggs, you're a poacher.
Papa's ready for soup.
1 poached egg, right here. While we wait on this, toast some bread. Let's plate. Do a little spoonful of our cilantro thing. We're gonna ladle in some of our chicken broth, mix it all up together. Then we're gonna put our bread on top. Ooh, yeah. A little bit of broth on top of the bread as well. Then we're gonna depose our poached egg on top. A little bit of gochugaru on top. Yeah. Cilantro soup. Fantastic. And now I eat you. Are you good? Are you good? A little bit of that egg. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That's so good. What? That's insane.
Hi.
Wow. That warms me up. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. What? Makes no sense. This is insane. Bye, friends.